I'm just unloading some of the nature TV video that I record in my yard. And most of the time I get the same group of birds, but I just randomly clicked through and I just happened to land on this still shot. And then I said out loud, "Whoa!" But check it out though. Look at that. Holy moly. Are you kidding me? I've seen a lot of different kinds of woodpeckers show up, but I haven't seen that one before, and not in one of my videos like this. So this is cool. Look at this dude. Those feathers. The actual video will be more HD. I mean, this is just my computer, you know?